Normalising concepts for data analysis.
Standardize data types. Make sure each column has the appropriately applied data type. Numbers, dates, currency, text, etc.
Remove unnecessary data. Any columns or rows that are meaningless or will not be used for your analysis should be removed.
Smallest meaningful value. Break down the fields to their smallest meaningful value. Columns with last and first names need to be broken down into separate columns with first name and last name.
Compliant field names. Remove field names with weird characters. They get in the way of formulas and functions. Additionally, it is best for fields to have names that explicitly refer to the kind of content contained there. Relatable fields should be named the same between datasets.
Standardize data. Data may come in with characters like $signs or spaces that interfere analysis.
Errors. Different kinds of errors should be handled differently, but they should all be addressed before moving on.
Create key ID fields. If you are later going to be making relationships between datasets, it is wise to add key columns with identifying numbers or IDs that can later be used to establish relationships. Power Query has a lot of normalizing strategies that require a lot less time and energy than performing the same task in Excel.